In the urban environment, the conditions for trees to become healthy and mature are far from optimal. Several factors such as limited space, poor water infiltration, pollution, limited availability of nutrients, and soil compaction reduce the growth and lifespan of the tree. As trees keep growing, they eventually run into all kinds of obstacles that inhibit growth. As a result, the tree will not achieve maturity, leading to the loss of important climate benefits. The innovative Treeparker soil cell system from Tree Builders creates extra room to grow for both new and existing trees. A permeable filter cloth and gravel layer are added to the planting hole's bottom for stability and drainage. The Treeparker bottom frames are placed atop the gravel layer, with 4 posts attached to each frame, followed by the positioning of the Treeparker top frames and decks. The modular elements of the system ensure that cables and pipes can be easily integrated. When the system is placed as a standalone, spacers can be applied between the units for extra space or to create a bend shape. Once the units are in place, a combigrid is applied around the system. This prevents subsidence and separates backfill compaction from tree substrate. The water permeable filter cloth is laid on top of the decks to keep out soil and rubbish. To prevent root pressure, TRG tree root guide panels are applied in the tree pit. These panels direct the roots downward while ensuring the stability of the tree. In addition, the soil cell system is provided with an aeration and irrigation system so that the tree receives extra water and oxygen. Root ball anchoring, applied to new trees in the system, stabilizes the tree during the initial years of the growth phase. In our changing climate, waterlogging is becoming an increasingly significant issue. Due to the high concentration of buildings and paving, limited green spaces, and compacted soil in the urban environment, water cannot infiltrate well, leading to flooding. To prevent this, the rainwater inlet can be connected to the irrigation drain in the Treeparker system. The small openings in the drain allow the water to diffuse into the air layer of the system and be absorbed by the tree substrate. Once the tree substrate is saturated and the air layer is completely filled with water, the posts of the Treeparker unit can also be filled with water through the openings in the frames, serving as an extra water buffer. After the system is completely filled, it is important that the water can flow out through the overflow to a stormwater sewer. The Treeparker system serves as a key player in urban water management. Instead of discharging water, the system redirects it into the groundwater. This approach lessens the burden on the stormwater drainage system. By bringing together growth space, stability, drainage, aeration, and the right tree substrate in one system, the tree has optimal conditions to grow. In this way, the tree gets the chance to grow old healthily without damaging the surrounding infrastructure. This is how we create future-proof and green cities to live in.